Hey, hi, and welcome back to my channel. What's crack-a-lackin'? So, I recently went on a trip to California, and I was having way too much fun to, vlog enough footage to, make an actual video, you know? So, I wasn't sure what to do with all of these little clips that I had, so instead of, making a video, I just threw them all together, and, that's what you're getting. Also, I'm trying to get back on a posting schedule, so I'm going to continue to try to post every Thursday. It's 4 a.m. January 3rd, and I am leaving to go to California. I'm really tired. My baby mama! Good morning, sweet girl.
Blurface, baby. Yeah.
Alrighty, everybody, welcome to day 2 in California. I'm here with my friend Amanda. The plan today, we just got Starbucks. Woo! Just woke up, just got Starbucks. We're gonna go get a smoothie bowl. And then we have a very, 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 very long day today. We're going to the desert to take some pictures. We're going to Joshua Tree, and we got a little Airbnb, so we're gonna stay in there with all of our friends and get litty titty and take 1,000,000 pictures. So, yeah.
It's fucking Max Felice. Here I am. We out here in Palm Springs. Got sucked into coming to this bullshit because David over there brought me here. So, see how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Take 2.
Then next thing I know, I just was 10 feet below everyone.
Oh no, Lord. The moon. Ooh. Beep to block that.
So I'd like to make a toast. Cheers to all of us being here. Cheers to meeting us, new friends, old friends, family, friends, everything. I love you guys. I'm so happy to be here, and I'm excited to have a good night.
Yay! Cheers, everybody. Shoot it. Good morning, Nico.
Good morning.
Good morning, my sweet Amanda. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, beautiful girl. Why do I have a whole ass beard right now? What the fuck? We're in the desert.
We're on the
Hey.
ghetto side of
Okay, over here it actually gets cute. There's a swing, it's a hammock. I slept in there for an hour and a half. I stepped on a fucking cactus and my feet are broken now. Oh, look. This is our Airbnb. Here's our little patio area where we was hanging out. We have Nico who made some coffee. Here's our couch. Our living room. Oh my god, I keep stepping on fucking cactuses! Dude, that shit done stuck me. I need to get this cactus out of my fucking... Oh.
Yeah, take it off.
Fuck. Okay, kitchen. Our restroom. We have a bedroom over here, and then a bedroom over here. And this one came with Amanda's brother, Willie. He's taking a nap. Bye, house. Silver Bullet has left the building. Yeehaw. Crack it, Silver. Drink up, baby. Good morning, everybody. It's day 4. We picked up our friend Nikki. Hi. He's our straight friend.
Yeah, what's up? Yo, what's up?
That was kind of good.
Was it?
Yeah, do it again.
Thank you.
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? My name's Nicky.
I don't know what else we're doing today. Maybe going on a hike, watching the sun, jerking each other off. We'll find out later. Stay tuned. Come on, Nikki. Oh. Wow.
Let's ride.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wow. Your first time at the Pacific Ocean.
Good morning, vlog. It is Saturday, January 11th. I just wanted to let you guys know that. Hold on. I just wanted to let you guys know that Richie changed his flight for the second time, and he's leaving tomorrow. Can't leave. I know. We have our friends Sydney in the back. We have Nikki in the back, and Richie is driving, which is so sweet of him. And I got a new phone case. We are going to LA for the day. We were going to drop off Richie at the airport, but decided that was just not on the agenda anymore. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, hold on. We're saying what everyone is thinking right now?
Yeah. Oh, okay, ready? 1, 2.
Okay, what we're all thinking.
We're all thinking
the same thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we're all thinking the same thing. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I need a
road trip! Yeah!
We're all thinking the same thing. They do that thing where they're like.
Hi, Richie's vlog. We just
had
some tacos.
Hello.
We just had some tacos on a nice little
What's up, Richie?
midnight,
Isn't that kinda
a little late night date with some tacos and some guac and
Some pink taco.
Woo!